what's going on, guys? Name's Rodrigo Maderos, and I'm going to show you exactly why this BMW M235i is freaking amazing. Just some facts to start off. 320 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, and 4.5 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour or 60 miles per hour. First conversation we need to have with this car is just a 6-cylinder inline gasoline engine with the M Performance twin turbo technology. We're talking a twin scroll turbocharger that can push 332 pound-feet of torque. So one thing that makes this car so great is the powertrain. It's super fast combined with twin scroll technology. We're talking an 8-speed standard transmission that feels like a clutch. What this gives us is flexibility to maneuver transmission shifts like piece of cake. The last thing to wrap this video up is the price you pay for this car. It is not expensive as true sports cars. Yes, it is a sports car. Yes, it does lack some features like the true M2, M3, M4 would have. It doesn't have that power, but for the efficiency, for the price you're paying, for the power you're getting out of it, it's absolutely the best bang for the buck. You will not get the performance like this car anywhere else. You will not get the handling like this car anywhere else. And you're keeping in mind that if you do pick one of these up in the secondhand market, you can easily do it for under 40K with less than 50,000 kilometers or about 35,000 miles. So this is something of a good price point for a car that's already depreciated from 60 to 35. And now that you can actually purchase one for 35, you can easily hold this for 3 to 4 or 5 years and not lose so much money. You can easily resell it with under 100,000 kilometers for about, I want to say, in 2 to 3 years worth of time for about close to $20,000. And the reason why is because this is one of the cars that stays true to what BMW was always all about. The inline 6, the noise it makes, the power it wants to do, the feeling that it pushes forward. It reminds enthusiasts of the E46 M3, and this is exactly what I want in my car. This is exactly why I love this car. So if there's anybody of you that I can help out and that I can help you give information about what it's like to have an M230, I hope that this video has helped you. And if there's any questions and any concerns with anything I've said, leave all the comments down below, and I will be regularly uploading. So I'm excited to post some more content soon. So with that, I'm just going to close off the video. So cheers to that.